Alright, that's a wrap on, oh, more birds! I just like learning more about the industry, and you know, everyone has different techniques. Something really exciting going on tomorrow that I'm gonna bring you guys along for. Okay, so I'm gonna go snowshoeing tomorrow. I'm currently picking out my outfit. And I think we're gonna go with this black outfit. It's like a comfy little thing for snowshoeing, and then we're gonna have an outfit to change into. Because we like to have options, as we know. DJ, which outfits should we do? Black one or the jeans? Which one do you want? Okay, you're closer to the black one, so we're gonna go with the black one.
Snowshoeing, check this out. You got a whole trunk full of snowshoes.
Yeah, I think we don't have enough.
Not enough? No?
No, I'm kidding.
You bringing a camera? I brought my camera.
I brought my camera. And a drone.
And a drone? Wow, we are really with a group of creators.
Oh, hell yeah.
Let's go, Karim. Let's go.
Spend your time.
I want you to dream.
Hey! So after an hour and a lot of traffic, we finally made it.
Oh shit. Oh, that's some Matrix shit.
This auto assist.
So we're about 5 minutes in and we've all taken off like 3+ layers. So of course Will and I are the stragglers. But you know what? At this point, my only challenge is to get out of here alive. How you doing, Will? We got this. The view's gonna be worth it.
What's up, baby? Yo, we out here on the top of Vancouver right now. Yep. As you can see behind me.
Where's the bird?
Got a beautiful view right here. Look at that.
Whistle.
Oh, there you have it, folks.
And then there's this one right here, waiting for the bird.
I'm trying to whistle for you, bro. I don't see you.
How long you been waiting there for?
You know, it's only been like a minute. We're switching arms a few times here, but we got this. Alright, that's a wrap on, oh, more birds. We are now gonna head all the way back down. Fully out.
I'm all the way up now. Hey.
We did it.
We're all the way up now.
I want you to dream. Hey, want you to dream. Want you to dream.
Hey everyone, so this one right here, go close up on that one. That one right there, that's your girl Ebony's wing. Can we still be friends? Yes or no? You be the judge of that.
Good morning. We have a meeting in the morning. It feels really early, but it's really not. Like my meeting's at 8, which is in like half an hour. But I'm so used to like sleeping in that even like waking up like 30 minutes early is just a knock of the face right now. But it's okay, we're gonna get back into our early morning routine. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready quickly, which literally consists of me doing my eyebrows and changing my shirt. And that's it. We're doing a Google call, so I don't know if the said person is gonna have their video on or just do call. I don't know, it's always hit or miss, so I'm just gonna be prepared. And yeah, let's get ready. And we're done. That's what I call an easy little quick get ready with me. Now I'm gonna set up my workflow.
Want you to dream. dream.
Yeah, that works perfect for me. Of course. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, talk soon. Bye. I don't know if you guys have heard of sorry, I just got flustered. I don't know if you guys have heard of Clubhouse before, but it's pretty much like, the way I would describe it is like a live podcast, except finally they introduced replays. So now if you didn't enter in at the exact time it started, like let's say it was like 7 to 8 a.m. Then you can go back and listen to it now, which is nice because before they were all live. Yeah, so I'm gonna go listen back to one actually because I totally realized it already ended. But replays. Then I have a live Q&A with this girl Jade. I'm not like, I'm in it, but I'm not like, you know, one of the speakers. It's just a course that I bought a few days ago, and she does these live Q&As once a month where you can just ask her anything you want. And yeah, so I'm excited to join that. The course is all about the industry and how to pitch better and just how to grow your audience. Like, it's just all about social media. But yeah, sometimes I join courses like that once every while. Once every while? Does that make sense? Once in a while. I don't know. Grammar's not my strong suit. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and I just like learning more about the industry, and you know, everyone has different techniques, so it's nice to learn from them. And also, you know, I love supporting businesswomen, so if I can give them a fee for their knowledge, I'd love to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But let's get started. I'm gonna listen to this. Your girl did an outfit change. By that I mean I put on a sweater. Now I am in my little Q&A class thing with Jade. I have it on mute right now, but this is the class. Hello. And again, I'm doing some notes. So I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I feel like there's like a technique to putting on a toque perfectly. And mine just like making me look like a thumb today, but we're just gonna go with the flow. We're gonna go grocery shopping. I literally just need to pick up like turkey bacon and some milk, but it's also an excuse to get out of the house, so that's a plus. Also, if this doesn't tell you how long it's been since I've like actually driven, it was like the gas was at like 150 like 4 or something. Now it's at 173, so that's a lot. That's a lot. So good thing that my tank is like halfway full. Hopefully you don't have to fill her up anytime soon. And okay, let's just settle down with the gas prices, okay? You know what? We have enough expenses in life. We don't need to add pricey gas on top of that. Something really exciting going on tomorrow that I'm gonna bring you guys along for. And yeah, I can't wait to show you, because this is like a first for me, because it's been like a goal on like my bucket list of things that I've wanted to accomplish. So, good morning. I showered, as you can see. I need to blow dry my hair pretty soon here before it completely dries. I welcomed a new friend. This little girl right here. We put a little pimple patch on her. I'm just gonna do some more emails this morning. Like I pretty much start off every morning. And then I actually have a sponsored post going up on TikTok today, so I'm really excited about that because it's been in the works for the past few months now. We've been like waiting for approval, and yeah, it's been a while. So excited to get that done, and yeah, just for it to go live because I really like the video that I made. What else do we have going on? Let's look at my I have a calendar right behind you guys. I'm going to, I think I talked a bit about it yesterday. I have something exciting that I'm going to do today. It's not going to be till later in the afternoon, but I will bring you along for that. And then I think that's kind of all that's happening today. you guys can probably tell, I pretty much just live in sweats while I'm home because comfort. But we're gonna do some laundry.
I want you to dream. Hey, want you to dream. Want you to dream. Want you to dream. Want you to
Okay, I'm now headed out. Little mini fit check. We're gonna go to Cactus Club first. We're gonna do that after we do our little reveal thing, but everyone's super hungry. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go see something exciting. Okay, see you guys soon. Hey guys, are you excited?
I'm very stoked. I'm very stoked.
So I didn't really vlog yesterday, but yeah, that was a surprise. I'm on a freaking billboard. How crazy. Literally just like checked off a career goal of mine. I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog of kind of the week in my life. It's kind of been more like 4 or 5 days, but I don't really have anything going on the next few days. I've just been, you know, chilling, and then I'm going to see my friend Charisma in like an hour. We're gonna go meet up for some late lunch. Haven't seen her in a few months, so that'll be fun to catch up. And then yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna do some brand content that I gotta have finished and send in for approval by the end of the weekend. And other than that, that's kind of the gist of how my week goes. It's a lot of just hanging out by my desk and doing work, but that's the life of a self-employed person. Also yesterday, I didn't vlog any of this, but I figured out how to connect my camera that is right in front of me to my computer to use it as a webcam. Crazy. Also, my roommate gave me one of his mics to try out. So I'm gonna try that out and hopefully bring back, I don't know if you guys remember when I was doing mental health kind of IGTVs, podcasts sort of thing on my Instagram for a little bit there. And I kind of want to level up the equipment to continue doing that now. It's been quite a few months since I've done one, but I'm gonna do that. And then yeah, I really also, the other thing that I was thinking about and figuring out yesterday is I want to build my own PC. But then my friend was telling me that it's actually really easy to build your own PC, but the only thing is the graphic cards are really like stupid expensive right now and have been for the past like 2 years. So I was like, nice. Because right when he was like, yeah, PCs are super easy to build and they're also like way more affordable, because I wanted to get a new MacBook just because it's time to upgrade. This thing's very old. But I keep hearing that PCs are so good for like things that I want to do. I eventually want to start doing Twitch. Definitely follow me if you guys haven't already. I haven't done anything on it, but I have an account, so that's the first step. So I want to do Twitch, and I just want to have a computer that's better for editing. So I literally just use iMovie to edit my YouTube videos, which has been working for me. But again, like, I'm just at the point where I want to level up my equipment, and I think this is the next step for me. But yeah, I don't really want to be spending a lot of money just on the freaking graphic card. Like the newer graphic cards I was looking on the marketplace were like $1,500 just for the card, not for anything else, just the card. And I was like, I don't know about that. So might hold back on that a little bit, unless any of you guys know someone with a graphic card. All I need it for is like editing and Twitch. It doesn't have to be like a crazy, the newest one, because I'm not going to be playing like Call of Duty and need like insane frame rate. But yeah, it would be cool. I would love that because it's time to level up. So let me know in the comments or slide into the DMs. Yeah, other than that, I think I think that's a wrap. That is a wrap. If you guys haven't seen my other video, it's all about my Tampa, Vegas, Dallas trip. So go check that out. Super fun time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, leave a comment below what your favorite part of this video was. I'd love to hear about it. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.